Good evening, teacher and all my classmates. Today I'm going to talk about TV show or movie that I like. I enjoy watching TV show or movie on my free time. One of my favorite TV show is Friends. It's about a comedian about six friends who live in New York City. This is the show funny that make me laugh a lot and make me laugh a lot. I like the character. It's named Asa and Anna because they always joking. I also watching a movie too, and its movie is Harry Potter. It's about the young wizard who goes to magic school. The story is exciting, especially effects are amazing. I like the character grow and face many challenges. Sometimes I watching TV show or movie with my family and eat popcorn and enjoy time together. Watching TV show or movie help me to learn new English words, and I think it's fun way to spend time. Thank you, teacher and all my classmates for listening to me.